First of all, congratulations to both of you
Thank
for
you,
getting
sir.
your New Zealand student plus dependent visa. I would like to know a few things regarding our regarding your experiences with our staff. Okay. So, what exactly was the difference you found between a registered and a non-registered agent?
Yeah, there's a lot of difference between registered and unregistered agent because as we had experienced previously, we have rejected file. So after we came to know what is Mara agent and registered agent, we just filed our file over your staff. So there is a very good experience with you.
And of course, unregistered agents, they should not explain about all these facts. I mean, they keep hide out all these facts. I mean, they only explain what kind of course and what kind of course will be cost you less, but they don't explain you. I mean, how far it will be helpful in your future. Is it will be helpful for your PR experience? I mean, future job prospectus, and they don't even explain all these things. So we found many more things like that.
So, how was your communication throughout your process with our staff?
That's a very good
It's very good.
experience.
I mean, they will
Either in communication or else in any technical issues. So starting from the
they keep. I mean, they keep always. They will be in contact with you for each and every point. I mean, even if you want to call if any doubts, they will be very clarify. I mean, they never. I mean, feel unhappy to tell you. They will
they
always.
just give what we want and as a part we got what we want to.
So, what was your total duration for the process? Like, when did you apply and when did you got the visa?
It's hardly 3 months, I think. I mean, it's just 2 months for consultation and everything, and 1 month for application process. I mean,
And for the visa only for the 10 days. Within 10 days we just got visa student and both work visa.
So, what difference did you find? Like, before you went to different
Yes.
consultancy. So, what was the difference between the documentation part?
and of course, we experienced with this. Already, we are rejected for the Australia because of the documentation. Even the case officer, when we rejected for the Australia, he clearly explained that
Due to improper documentation.
improper documentation and
And when
the
we
funds even we have submitted the proper funds. Even we submit the proper funds. They can't even explain how far it. I mean, they can't explain in a better way to the case
within one
officer.
consultant we just came to know what our file has studied over there and studied in future in consultancy. Within one consultant we came to know everything about the rejection and over for the future prospects also. They just given us a very proper guide for the other country like New Zealand. What the difference between other countries we just came to know, and we are very thankful for the process in each and every aspect. Thank you.
And how confident you were, when you approached us? How confident did you feel about your process and your chances of getting the visa?
Because of future in consultancy services only within 1 to 2 days we came to know our visa would get stamped.
To be frank, we are in a negative mode. Of course, we are done before consulting future in Australia. Of course, we are completely in a negative mode. I mean, we already applied for Australia and there we have been rejected. So we don't have any hope. I mean, we lost all our hope because even they also explained us how it will be very easy full and how can you guys get a 4 years visa. You can be settled in Australia. We can get an easy PR. Even they also explain all this matter. But when it comes to the future in Australia, they truly, I mean, they explain this. I mean, what are the chances to get for the New Zealand? I mean,
Within
we
a
applied, we
short
of course
time
applied
of-
for New Zealand now. They explain clearly
Within short time.
what kind of course if you take and what kind of future will be for you guys. To be frank, they explain everything.
So, you think we need to make any changes in our communicating or anything else?
No, everything was very good and the quality which you have given is an excellent.
Already you guys
Experience.
giving the best service. So far, I think you can keep it up and continue this good service.
So will you be recommending our services to others?
Already start to recommend. Two of my friends also started to coming here.
After seeing our process, very
Even our family friends also they start asking about us because they also have.
because they never thought after the rejection of our visa we would get a visa from any other consultancy. So they without asking only they are just asking what's your consultancy, where did you approach, only with the visa approval.
Okay, Swati, okay, Rakesh. Once again, congratulations
Thank
to
you.
both of you.
Thank you.
Have a good life ahead.
Thank you, sir.